crispy, cheesy jalapeno popper wontons. Hi guys, I'm Renee Fuentes and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. Today we are transforming your favorite jalapeno poppers into a wonton form. So these are actually going to be baked instead of fried, but by all means, if you want to fry them, you can do that. It's just a few simple ingredients, and then we're gonna fold these just like how I have my baked cream cheese wontons. So you can go ahead and click on the iCard to watch that video. But great for a party, great for snacking. So let's get started.
So these are the ingredients that we're gonna need. I'm just using store-bought wonton wrappers. You can find these at most grocery stores. Just be sure to keep them refrigerated until you're ready to use. I have some thick cut bacon that I've already cooked. I have 6 slices here. I'm using jalapenos. If you want them spicier, you can opt for like a serrano, but we are making jalapeno poppers. And I have some shredded Mexican cheese. Monterey Jack or pepper jack would be good too. And I have 1 block of cream cheese. Make sure you bring it to room temperature so it's nice and soft and easy to stir. So like I said, I have 6 slices of cooked bacon. I'm just gonna chop it up until it's nice and fine because we don't want the pieces to be too big. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and place it into our bowl with the cream cheese. For the jalapenos, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice off the tops and cut them into strips. I am gonna be removing the seeds because my kids are eating these, so I don't want them to be too spicy. You can leave the seeds in, but I think it does work a little bit better when the seeds are out. So cut them into strips and then dice them into small pieces as well, and go ahead and add that to the bowl of bacon and cream cheese. The last ingredient is the shredded cheese. Like I said, I'm using a Mexican cheese blend, but feel free to use any cheese that you prefer. Go ahead and give that a mix until everything is nice and incorporated, just like that. And then we're gonna set up our wonton making station. So I have a cup of our little bowl of water, and I just took out these wonton skins. They do dry out quickly, so don't take them out of the refrigerator until you're ready. Place a spoonful of the filling, and then we're going to dip our finger in the water and put it all across the edges of the wonton skin. My apologies for the bad camera angle. It's kind of hard folding and making sure that you're in frame at the same time. But basically, I just made a triangle and I am just pressing it sealed so there's no air bubbles. If you need to add more water, you can do that. So here's another view. So just place a spoonful of the filling, add your water to all the edges of the wonton skin, especially if they're dry, they might need extra water. Fold it in half to make a triangle and then press out any air bubbles and just kind of gently press the cream cheese so that way it kind of fills up the triangle part, but you don't want to press it too hard because then it can also pierce the skin of the wonton. So go ahead and spray them. I'm using some avocado oil. You can do some olive oil as well. And then for this darker tray, I found that baking it at 400 degrees worked best for 10 minutes. And then afterwards, I flipped them over and baked them for another 5 minutes. I did do another test batch with a lighter baking sheet, and that one worked better at 375 for 10 minutes and then 3 minutes on the other side. So just keep an eye out. If you are using a lighter tray, then you might need to reduce the temperature and the cooking time, and also everyone's oven's different. So look how crispy and golden these are. I am garnishing them with some jalapenos so that way people know they are jalapeno popper wontons. And they are just so addicting. They're perfect for a party or get together. They're easy to eat. And I promise you guys will love them.
All right, so how easy were those to make? Of course, the best part, the taste test. Even though they're baked, they still got that crunchiness to them, the saltiness from the bacon, creaminess from the cream cheese. And you don't get much spice from the jalapeno, but it does have just a little bit of kick. It's perfect. Take a look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Leave me any comments or questions below. I'd be happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.